Friends, I am K. Praveen Rao, a wildlife enthusiast, coming up with videos on nature and wildlife. These are some of the clips from earlier videos. Please watch, like, and subscribe to my channel. The present video is regarding the wildlife of Masaimara. Masaimara National Reserve is situated in Narok County of Kenya. It is one of the well-known wildlife habitats for carnivores and herbivores. The area has extensive savannas, network of rivers and bush forests along with the river and the tributary channels. I was there in Masaimara in the month of August and tried photographing the diversity there. I have posted a video, glimpse of Masaimara part 1 earlier, the link to which I am posting here. This is part 2 of the series in which I am showing leopard, African bush elephant, African wild buffalo and the black rhino. Along with it, I am showing some scavengers and herbivores in the video. Please watch till end to witness the wildlife of Masaimara. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. The leopards in Africa are found in sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of the 8 subspecies known in the world. The male African leopards are bigger than the females. They have black rosettes on the upper body and solid spots on the head, lower limbs and belly. Leopards have a broad diet and can easily adapt to changes in the prey base. The leopards have an exceptional ability to climb the trees with its prey as big as impala in its jaws. One major threat to the leopards is fragmentation of the habitat and growing of urban spaces. Nowadays, they are used to soft prey like dogs near the cities. This is one of the main causes of man-animal conflict. In some areas, deforestation for the sake of mining is taking the toll. The animal is always active when on the move. They too are vulnerable to attack by other big carnivores, and at the same time they are on watch for a suitable prey. Hippopotamus is a semi-aquatic animal found in sub-Saharan Africa. They inhabit rivers, lakes, mangroves, swamps, etc. They are territorial in nature. One bull controls a certain stretch of river along with its cows and calves. They inhabit the rivers and ponds with grass patches nearby. In nature, they feed mostly on grasses and some aquatic plants. The canines of hippo are used as weapons in the event of any territorial fight. When we stayed for a little longer time, the hippo got irritated and showing aggressive behavior. Hippos sometimes help in migrating wildebeest and zebras from Nile crocodiles. Giraffe is a large hoofed mammal of Africa. It is tallest animal and largest ruminating mammal on the earth. It has long legs, long neck, and horn-like ossicones. Giraffes are mostly found in savannas and woodlands. Their food mainly consists of leaves, fruits, flowers of woody plants, mainly acacias. The male combat with their necks called necking. The dominant male is eligible to mate with other females of the group. The great migration of wildebeest and zebras help in the survival of calves of giraffes. Due to availability of ample choice of prey, the carnivores of Mara prefer migrating animals to the calves of giraffe. The African bush elephant is the largest terrestrial animal. There are three species of elephants in the world, two species in Africa and one in Asia. The elephant group consists of cows, female calves, and subadult male calves. The family group is led by a matriarch. The food of elephants mainly consists of grasses, creepers, leaves, and bark. The elephant's trunk is used for tactile communication. The tuskers, which are in musk, are very dangerous and readily attack humans, while the herd with calves behave in very protective manner. There are many threats to the survival of these intelligent animals. The elephants are poached for their tusks, which leads to skewed sex ratio. Over the years, their habitat has been fragmented due to urbanization, construction of highways, deforestation, etc. This is the main cause of human-animal conflict. In the herd of elephants, one can see the group protecting the young calves and are trying to keep in the guard of tuskers. There are four types of hyenas in Africa: the spotted hyena, striped hyena, aardwolf, and brown hyena. We are mainly discussing the spotted hyena in this video, which I have seen in Masaimara. Hyenas are matriarchal. The females take care of the cubs. Females are larger than the males and dominate them. It is one of the most adaptable animal. It can hunt and at the same time scavenge. It has the capacity to eat and digest skin, bone, and other animal waste. Hyenas have well developed head, neck, and forelimbs and underdeveloped hindquarters. They live in the dens dug by warthogs and jackals. The dens sometimes have more than one entrance. Mostly smaller hyenas live in it. The main enemies of hyenas are lions, cheetahs, jackals, wild dogs, and leopards. They steal the kill from each other. Black rhino is native to eastern and southern Africa. Another rhino in Africa referred to as white rhino. The black rhino has hooked lip, whereas the white rhino has wide square lip. This particular rhino is black rhino. The black rhino is critically endangered species due to poaching and habitat destruction. Our guide was so happy to see the rhino in Masaimara. He was overwhelmed to see the black rhino. The rhinos are generally solitary. The calves are generally found with their mothers. They do not have a fixed territory. The territories overlap. Black rhinos are considered more aggressive. These are herbivorous and eat leafy plants, twigs, grass, fruits, etc. Their main mode of communication is by spraying urine near fecal stations, near water ponds. They rub the tree trunks and spray urine. This will indicate which animal is present in the area. The rhinos are poached for the rhino horns, which are used in making wine cups. The skins are used as armor and belts, handles for daggers, and so on. The horns are also believed to have aphrodisiac powers. African buffalo or Cape buffalo is a sub-Saharan species. African buffalo is a robust species with stocky body. And the characteristic feature of the horns in males is that their bases come very close, forming a shield called boss. The African buffalo lives in savannas, swamps, and floodplains. It prefers a habitat of thickets and dense cover. Buffaloes live in groups. Predators other than lion cannot overpower the animal. Many times, entire pride will attack a buffalo to bring it down. When attacked by a lion, the buffaloes show mob behavior. There are instances when they attack the lions and keep them at bay. In males, the hierarchy depends on the age and size of the bull. Impala is found in eastern and southern Africa. Impalas can be found in three social groups: the territorial herd, bachelor males, and female herds. These are active during the day. During rutting season, the males fight for dominance and the dominant male courts with the females. The rutting season is at the end of the monsoon. The rainy season in Kenya is from March to May. So the rutting season is typically at the end of May. The dominant male is keeping the all female group and the fawns together and keeping the prospective male at the bay. See, they are keeping the herd together. Friends, I am coming up with videos on nature and wildlife. If you like the idea, please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to my channel. My future video will be on birds of Costa Rica and some other wildlife areas. Please keep watching. Thank you so much.